Hi, welcome to my channel, Janice on channel. My name is Janice. Today I'll be sharing with you on breaking free, how to detach from anxiety and reclaim your peace of mind. Anxiety is a common human experience, but when it becomes too overwhelming and starts to interfere with our daily lives, it's essential to find healthy ways to detach from it. Detaching from anxiety does not mean ignoring or suppressing it. Rather, it involves developing coping strategies to manage and reduce its impact on our emotional well-being. In this video, I will share with you effective techniques to help you detach from anxiety and regain control of your life. Number one, you need to embrace mindfulness. Mindfulness is actually a powerful practice that allows you to be present in the moment without judgment. By cultivating mindfulness through meditation or simply focusing on your breathing, you can detach from anxious thoughts. Don't think about any other things. Just look at what is present, close your eyes, relax, concentrate on your breathing. Okay, detach your anxious thoughts, leave it all behind, and bring your attention back to the present. Okay. Number two, challenge your anxious thoughts. Anxiety often stems from negative or irrational thoughts. Negative or irrational thoughts. You need to learn to identify and challenge these thoughts by questioning their validity. Are they based on evidence or are they just assumptions? Replacing negative thoughts with more realistic and balanced perspective can help elevate anxiety. Number three, practice deep breathing. Okay, in fact, deep breathing, just number one is also related, just that now is we're talking about practice deep breathing. When anxiety strikes, your body natural response is shallow and rapid breathing. You need to counteract this by practicing deep breathing exercise. Take slow and deep breaths and exhale fully. Okay, let's practice. Okay, breathe in, breathe out. Okay, teach you one more thing. Close your eyes, breathe in, breathe out. One more time, breathe in, breathe out. Okay, this simple techniques calms the nervous system and reduce anxiety. Practice deep breathing. Number four, engage in regular exercise. Physical activity, right, exercise, right, is actually a natural stress reliever and a mood booster. You need to engage in regular exercise, whether it's walking, jogging, and any other activity that you enjoy. Exercise actually releases endorphins. You need endorphins, which are natural mood elevators that can help you reduce anxiety. I tried that. It's very good. When I'm having anxiety, I just go for a walk in the park. And I'm happy with certain things, I'm very stressed, I just go for a walk. It will calm you down. Go for a walk, hiking, walking, see the nature. It helps you. Okay. Number five, establish a healthy sleep routine. Lack of sleep can exacerbate anxiety. You need to create a consistent sleep routine by going to bed and waking up at the same time every day. So maybe say that you want to sleep by 10:30. Okay, get yourself at least 8 hours of sleep. Prioritize relaxation before bedtime to improve the quality and duration of your sleep. And then number 6, limit stimulants. Coffee, caffeine, alcohol can heighten the anxiety level. Consider reducing or limiting your intake of these stimulants to maintain emotional balance. I used to don't take coffee, but because I was anxious, I thought coffee will help me and keep me awake and all that. I take coffee, but when I read that the coffee actually causes more anxiety, I just stopped taking coffee. So only rarely I would just take coffee. But just let you know, caffeine coffee can stimulate anxiety emotions. Number 7, set boundaries. Overcommitting yourself can lead to increased stress and anxiety. Learn to set boundaries and say no to additional responsibilities when you feel overwhelmed. Prioritize self-care and allocate time for relaxation and hobbies. Number 8, you need to seek support. Sharing your feelings and experience with friends or family or therapists, talking about your anxiety can provide emotional support and different perspective. You're not alone. You're never alone, okay? You're never alone. And seeking support is a sign of strength, not weakness. By the way, if you're a Christian like me, I'm a Christian, remember that God is with you. You are never alone. Okay, number 9. Practice progressive muscle relaxation. Progressive muscle relaxation is a technique that involves tensing and releasing muscle groups in a systematic manner. Okay, this practice helps reduce physical tension associated with anxiety and promotes relaxation. Let me share with you. There's actually a muscle ball, anxiety relaxation ball. Okay, you can get this ball. You can practice your muscle, hand muscle and anxiety ball. You can buy this kind of ball. It will help you. Okay, this ball. Okay, press it. Can help you. Okay, help you in relaxing your anxiety level. Number 10, limit exposure to triggers. Be mindful to triggers that worsen your anxiety, such as distressing news or certain social situations. A lot of news out there is actually quite negative, so sometimes not reading that will actually help you a lot. So yeah, so you can actually abstain from reading some news for the day. Limit your exposure to these triggers to protect your emotional well-being. Okay. Number 11, embrace gratitude. Cultivate gratitude by keeping a journal and regularly writing down things you're thankful for. Okay, I'm a Christian, so sometimes when I think of things, I'll write down, and then I can reflect to it when feel like reading. Okay, be grateful, write down things, certain thoughts. So sometimes I will think about some Bible verse. So yeah, writing, and be grateful also for God's grace. Focusing on the positive aspects of your life can shift your attention away from anxiety inducing thoughts. Okay. Lastly, number 12, consider professional help. If anxiety significantly impairs your daily life and functionality, consider seeking help from a mental health professional. They can provide personalized strategies and support to help you navigate through anxiety. In conclusion, detaching from anxiety is actually a journey that requires patience, self-compensation, and perseverance. By embracing mindfulness, challenging anxious thoughts, engaging in regular exercise, and seeking support, you can reclaim your peace of mind and build resilience to cope with anxiety. Remember that it's okay to take, really, it's okay to worry. It's okay to take small little steps, and progress may come gradually. Be kind to yourself during this whole process and celebrate every step you take towards detaching from anxiety and embracing a more balanced and fulfilling life. I hope you find this video useful. If you find this video useful, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel for more future videos, and do share with others. If you need further advice and consulting advice, or you can engage my services, contact me at my website in the link below, and yeah, you can look at my description as well of me. Okay, so yeah, God bless and goodbye.